Hello Saji, welcome to your October 2021 readings. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, please keep in mind that this is a timeless and general reading, so take only what resonates with you. Also, if you feel drawn to the title of any other reading, please check out those messages also, as there might be some guidance for you. Okay, so let's get started and I will check out your oracle card messages first, and then we'll see what messages come for you. Okay, blessings and then new beginnings. And this the same kind of energy I was picking up when I was channeling your energy. So I saw a lion, which may be a spirit animal for you for this month. So you need to stand in your power. The very first thing. Second is, don't hold yourself back from sharing your thoughts, from sharing your opinions with others. Third is your because of this Libra season, your 11th house is getting activated. Okay, so 11th house is all about gains and profits, and I really feel like right now you're in the mode of gaining a lot of rewards and recognition because of the hard work that you may have been doing for this year. Okay, so that's why you have the card of blessings and also the new beginnings, because it's a fresh month and we are also approaching the 1010 portal, so there might be some new opportunities that will show up for you. Okay, so and the time period from the new moon till the full moon is very prominent this month. Okay, so you might attract some new opportunities this month, and we'll see what other messages come for you. Okay, I will take this card. Courage. Yeah, you need to have that courage. That's why I said you need to you don't have to hold yourself back this month. Show your power, show your strength. That's where you need to be. If somebody is trying to push your buttons, you have to show them that you're not the person that they're supposed to do like that. Okay, you're not going to take any kind of nonsense from anyone. Okay, so this is the message that I'm getting for you. This courage is more about you being in that valor state, you being the lion that roars, and the roar is enough to make others quiet. Okay, so that kind of power and strength you need to imbibe this month. Okay, and let's pull out one more card for you. Transformation. Yeah, transformation from holding yourself back to now sharing your truth. Okay, so this is like complete turnover for you. Up until now you might have been holding yourself back, and you might have been thinking to let things go, not to share, not to speak, not to mess up things. But I think now you're reaching to that point, that saturation point, where you realize that you need to stand up for yourself, you need to speak your truth, and you need to stand up for your own values. Okay, so it's more of that energy of seven of wands along with the knight of wands. You're happy within your own self, and you know it's time for you to enjoy the fruits of your labor, I would say. Okay, so yeah, here also at the bottom of the deck it's love. So definitely for some of you this new beginning could also be about love. For some of you this is also about self-love, because you've also got the card of transformation, and for some of you this is about partnership, a romantic connection. Okay, so yes, I will keep it like this. Let me just pull them little bit here. Okay, yeah, let's see some oracle card messages from the moonology deck, and we'll see what messages come for you. Okay, this card has popped up, so I will take these two cards. A win-win outcome is forecast. Of course, this involves both the parties. So if you're thinking about a love connection, there's going to be a win-win situation. I think both the parties will be in mutual agreement to each other, and they will stand together for each other. Okay, and then we have the meditate and contemplate. So there's a lot of duality, if you can see in your cards. Okay, here also we have the two colors, and then here we have the Libra card, which is the dual sign. Okay, which has the duality, and then the Pisces, which also has the duality. Okay, let me see what other messages come for you. And even if you're being in a relationship, you still need to maintain your individuality. That might also be a message for others. Don't just lose yourself in a relationship. So that might also come as a new beginning, but also as a challenge to test you, to see how much you've learned for yourself. So this month you're definitely going to get a lot of brand new opportunities and lots of rewards and profits also. Nothing will come of this situation. Yes, if you are, thinking that you can just let things pass by and not speak your own truth, then nothing will come from this situation. People will keep on controlling you, controlling your decisions, and you need to stop that. That's why you need that courage. Okay, one last card. Okay, this one flew out, so I will take it. A personal issue reaches resolution. So some of you are definitely reconciling with your partners, with your old partners, with your soulmate, with your true soulmate, and some of you are definitely coming into new connections. Okay, so you've gone through that transformation, and now new beginnings are coming towards you. And for some of you who are already in that relationship and something may have happened, so right now you just need to take your power back. You need to stand strong in your own individuality, and then maybe things will start shifting and changing for you. So there's also that energy of bringing that adjustment, sitting down and talking with each other, and solving any issue, any grudges, any resentments, and sorting this out and bringing that harmony and balance in your relationships back. Okay, so let me see some tarot card messages for you. Okay, I will take this one. Page of Swords. Yes, this to me looks more like you're ready to cut anyone who's just being a nuisance in your life right now. That's the kind of energy I'm getting from this card, that you're not ready to take any kind of nonsense from anyone. So this is you standing strong in your own power. That's the kind of energy you need to imbibe. You're ready to cut down anything that's not serving you, whether it be your own habits, whether it be people, whether it be any kind of connections, whether it be any kind of habit or societal norms that's holding you back. Okay, and then let me see some more cards for you. Five of Wands, yeah. So you really need to stand strong. You need to express your thoughts. Don't hold back. Fight for your own rights, fight for your values. Okay, defend yourself if you need. That's the kind, it's more like a fighting kind of energy that you need to have, the warrior energy. Okay, the hanged man, because definitely you've got the meditate and contemplate. If you sit down with someone and try to sort things out, if you speak from your truth, if you speak from your power, I think people will understand. But you also need to take some time and contemplate about things. Okay, whatever fight and arguments may have happened, now you will start gaining clarity about that, why you had to go through certain experiences, where did you made mistakes. It's all about you. Okay, so okay, two cards have shown up and these are the finals. Ace of Cups, again, that's why I said, and love has also shown up. So I really feel like for some of you there's going to be some new brand new opportunities in the regards to love or romantic connections, and then you need to bring that balance. See, this is also the card of bringing harmony and balance, and here also you've got the card of Libra. So that's the kind of energy that I'm feeling here. It's like equal give and take, creating that kind of energy. It's not this kind of energy where one person is giving and it's like too many cooks in the kitchen. It should be about two people if they're sorting out. Okay, so you standing strong and not letting people get the very best of you. If it's your personal relationship, you're not letting others' advices affect you. You standing strong. And it's also the energy of you giving. If you've not been giving in the relationships up until now, it's time for you to start doing that, because your contemplation, this feels about more inner self reflection, taking that time out to understand where you made that mistake, what was your part. Okay, once you come to that realization, it becomes easy to bring that harmony and balance in your relationships, any kind of relationships, whether business, whether family related, whether personal, I mean any kind of relationships. Okay, so yeah, these are the messages I have for you. If you resonated with this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.